Welcome back, Aaron here, Simon Says Farms, and I quickly decided I'm gonna make a how to milk a goat video on our small milk machine. We're gonna make this real quick. This is how we do it. This is not how you have to do it. I set up our strainer. This is our strainer. This is where we strain our milk through into a nice, clean, sanitized 5-gallon bucket. Over here is our sanitizer, Star San. It's from the beer industry. This is our milk machine. You'll have to research what kind of milk machine you want, but it has 2 vacuum lines, which means we can run one vacuum line all the way over to one can. And on this can with the pulsator, we have 2 setups for 2 goats. So we can milk 2 goats at once with this. If I was to run a second line off of here, which I actually have set up right there, I could then milk 4 goats at once, but we're not gonna do that today. We're only gonna milk 2. So currently this guy's set up and out here. The valves are off, because if they were on, they would suck up sanitizer. This is a bucket full of that sanitizer. Follow the directions on the back. I think it's 1 ounce per 5 gallons of water right there. So now we're gonna get our goats out. This is the goat feed we're using, not sponsored. So it's very high in protein. It's made by Blue Seal. Blue Seal, call me if you want. But their feed buckets are set up. It's a lot. Look at that. It's a lot. There's alfalfa and feed, but they're about, oh my gosh, what day? We're in July, so they're milking heavy right now. Is basically what I'm trying to say. All right, we're gonna turn the pump on. It's gonna get loud, but here we go. Clicking, click, click, click. That's a good thing. It's supposed to do that. There's the milk. It's working its way. Look at her go. Okay, girl. If you give her a little bump, and her milk will start flowing. Look at that. One thing you don't want to do is set the pressure too high on the goats. We're only at about 10. And that's vacuum pressure, not air pressure. Should have set up the other one, because this is Harper. She's one of our best milkers. She's a monster over there. Got an Alpine and a Tog here. They're all doing really good, but once they're out of food, they don't want the milker on them anymore. They get kind of upset. There she goes again, dropping more milk. Kind of like the way the babies will bump the mom to say, hey, I need more milk. All right, she's getting done. That's okay, girl. That's okay. Good girl. Good girl. What do you got? You got any more in here? Hey, what are you doing? All done. All done. Okay, all but one goat is off the stand, but she is a slow eater. So just open this, pop the seal, rest it up there, take all our milk, pour it in here. Now we'll double filter, and we are not a licensed dairy farm. None of this is being consumed. It's actually all being converted into soap and lotion. I think my camera overheated. It's been so hot out. So all the milk is in the bucket. The milk machine's all washed down. Please subscribe and follow. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll try to do more how-to videos moving forward, maybe when it's not so darn hot out, so the camera stops overheating. But I gotta go. See you guys. Tomorrow, we post every single day. Seriously, every day. We're at like 500 and something in a row. Bye.